what kind of noise pump makes. So first what we wanted to do is lower down the tank with 13mm deep socket. Make sure you drive as much as possible so the tank would be as empty as possible. Watch out for nice and caliente muffler. Oh, it cooled down pretty fast actually. Let's see. Ooh, never mind. And this is for my heater. That's how I did the auxiliary outline. Alright, we got some brake clean action going on. Let's clean all this crap around. Oh boy, fumes keeps us going. Goodness, I already see Mickey Mouse. Okay, so we got it out. Old pump, and this is new one. Whenever you're gonna get it out, there's a little valve. It's full of diesel here. You just put the screwdriver, open up that little valve right here, just press on it, and you will drain pretty much all the diesel from it to the tank, so you don't have to spill all over it. Okay, so this popsicle did the job. Adios, amiga. And let's install it. So first is go. This little PP goes in there. And this one. Then the floater. A little more. Give it a little twist, and that's it. Booyakasha! The pump is in. Okay, so connect all the lines back, get the clamps tightened, lift up the tank, secure them with the clamps, and you are all done, my friends. Please give a like, subscribe for new future videos, and have a wonderful day. If I'll get 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give a tour around my bus so you can see what's and how it is inside. All right, have a good one.